Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Solve the following system of linear equation by the method of cross multiplication. So, in the cross multiplication method, what we do is, let's say these two are the equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and another equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then using the cross multiplication method, how we find x is, x can be written as b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by b2 a1 minus b1 a2, and these b1 b2 c1 c2 and a1 e2 are the coefficients here we can see in the two equations. Similarly, using cross multiplication method, y is represented by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by, the denominator is same for both, so b2 a1 minus b1 a2. So this is how we calculate x and y. Now let us see the given equation. Now the given equation are, so the two equation given are 7x minus 6y minus 92 equal to 0, let this be first equation, and 4x plus 7y plus 10 equal to 0, let this be second equation. Now we can see a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2, we can compare from the original equation and we can see the values like 7 minus 6 minus 92 and 4, 7 and 10, these are the coefficients. Now let us simply substitute the value. So x was b1 c2 minus b2 c1, so minus 6 multiplied by 10 minus 7 multiplied by minus 92. So this is the numerator and denominator is b2 a1 minus b1 is minus 6 and b1 a2, a2 is 4. So if we simplify this, we will get the value of x, which is equal to 584 divided by 73 means 8. So x is equal to 8. Similarly, we will substitute the value in y. So y was c1 a2 minus c2 a1. So minus 92, 4 minus 10 multiplied by 7, and denominator is same. So 7 multiplied by 7 minus 6 multiplied by 4. Now let us simplify this. So after simplifying this, we will obtain the value of y. So y is minus 6. So x is 8 and y is minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to minus 6. So this is the answer.